Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joyce Hair. Many people asking about the closure wig and want to see the inside structure of the closure wig. And today's video, let me show you the closure wig in detail with this sample of 5x5 Remy Hair Lace closure wig. This is a 5x5 18 inches Remy closure wig, and see how fluid is the hair. And if you we can look inside the cap of the closure wig. The closure wig is actually made of the 5x5 closure here. Of course, you can also choose the size of 4x4 or 6x6. This closure is actually ventilated, and it here give you all the parting space. You can see the ventilation here. It's a very good density, very nice ventilated, and very natural, great hairline. This is a HD lace, Swiss lace wig, and of course you can also choose medium brown lace or a transparent lace or light brown lace according to your complexion or which kind of lace you like. And this lace is pretty nice, melting and very soft, melting with the skin well. And on the rest part is actually sewn for the hair bundles, which is the bundles wefted. And this is the band, which is very much adjustable. Here has 3 gears. You can adjust according to your height of your cap, and this also can be removed if you don't like. You can simply remove that with all the comb. And we have a very natural finish for between the closure and the hair. So you will have a very natural finish here, which is very naturally, realistically transmission between the closure and the bundles here. And this is the density. See, it's a great density wig. Of course, if you like a thin wig or you want a very thick wig, we can customize according to what you like. And this is a Remy hair wig. About the Remy hair, you can check out on my other videos what is the Remy hair. And it's a great hair. It can be bleached, it can be colored, and can be do all the textures. And we also have virgin hair wig and have a very good longevity. So this is a bone straight one. If you like other texture, we can definitely do according to what texture you like. We do it a lot, so we can do it very beautifully. See this wig, Remy hair, great luster. You can iron it and you can curl it once you receive. This is very versatile hair, you can use it. So this is all for the closure wig. We also have frontal wig and other type of pre-made wig like 13x4 lace frontal wig, 13x6 lace closure wig. In the future, I will show you the structure of all that type of wig as well. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this wig, you can please order on our website. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. We share a lot about hair business and different type of hairs. Do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.